Walking into a 2003 Salem. Right by the door there's 3 storage areas. Straight ahead from the door you have your entertainment center where your television goes. Your stereo system, cabinets below for storage. In the slide out you have your couch and your dinette. Going to the rear of the coach, you have your little bunk room with storage area, place for a television, and then your bunks with windows by both bunk areas. Going back into the kitchen area, you have your double door fridge with cabinets above and below. Stove and microwave and more storage areas on top. Cabinets above the kitchen area. Double door stainless sink, storage door and drawers below. Going up into the bedroom area. You have a lot of storage area with drawers. Closet area. Straight ahead is your bed. Well, first of all is your sink, which is outside of your stool area. Windows on both sides again. Walk around the bed. Stool area. Your tub shower combination. You have a roof vent and storage on the opposite side of your entertainment center.